So Matt is practicing the impulse game with Sudan. He's got tiny pieces of cut up turkey hot dog, and he'll put the hot dogs closer and closer, and when Sudan controls his impulse and performs a desirable behavior like sit or down, Matt will open the hand, and if he stays, he'll give him a treat. So we call this the impulse game. Eventually we'll add a cue, but right now we're just doing some practice with Sudan, and he's doing pretty good. And when he tries to go, the hand closes. So he's learning when I'm laying down or sitting or relaxing, I'm going to get something good. But when I'm jumping or being impulsive, the hand will not open and give me a treat. So just a bunch of positive reinforcement. Matt eventually puts it closer and closer. He's a little distracted right now with other noises. Eventually, we like to work up to the point where we can actually put a treat on each of his paws and even a treat on his nose, and he'll be able to hold a weight and hold his impulse until we give him a release to eat the treat. And that's how you start. And then you have to be pretty quick too. Okay, we're on the 3.5 minute, almost 4-minute mark. You want to keep these sessions to 5-minute sessions, take a break, and then go back. Eventually, we will get one treat on each of his paws. This may be a little bit hard for him. Oh, he got distracted.